Welcome back everyone. This video will discuss today's entrance ticket questions and answers, so please pay close attention so you know how to complete that assignment, and feel free to pause or rewind this video as needed. So the first word or the first question is, what is collaboration? And as we discussed in our daily overview video, collaboration is working with someone to produce something. So down here you have these two images. On the left here you can see people planning, people brainstorming, people even actively putting things together. So it's a whole process from the brainstorming phase onto the production phase, and it takes a team of people a lot of times to collaborate and work together to make something. Over here is a representation of a lion, but furthermore this represents a project that some of you may have done in elementary school. It's definitely a project that I've done with my students in the past, and a project I've seen done a lot, where each student's given an image that they don't know what it's of. So there might just be an eye, there might just be a couple wiggly lines, and they have to paint each square, and then when they're done, they put the squares together and it creates a final image. So in this case of a lion, so this classroom of students collaborated, they worked together to produce this image. They didn't know they were working together, it was a little trick by the teacher, but they did work together to produce that final image. That's just a little example of working together with someone to create a final artwork. And then lastly, how do people collaborate on a work of art? People, to answer this question clearly and as simply as possible, people collaborate by sharing different ideas, different insights, and they can even physically work on the project together themselves. So every person comes with their own unique talent, their own unique perspective, and the idea is to be open to sharing and applying different ideas and working together to come to a consensus of what you want the final project to look like after sharing those ideas. So that is the end of this video. Please make sure at the end of the video you make sure to complete your entrance ticket, submit that for your 2 points, and then spend the rest of the class as a studio day working on your art activism project and submitting that to your day 5 progress. Please remember the project is due the next class, so you have this class and next class to finish, but you should be really working towards finishing today so that next class you won't have that much left to complete. All right, I look forward to seeing how your projects are coming together, and please message me if you have any questions. All right, bye everyone.